Now, why the potentials? Because being alive and feeling alive has nothing to do with age, has nothing to do with status, it has nothing to do with the accumulation of things. The aliveness of a human being has everything to do with how connected we are to Source and how diligent we are in expressing all that has to move through us. And the movement of life source, the energy, the movement of that impetus, that aliveness moving through us, because we're vessels, remember, has everything to do, that movement, the accuracy, the potency, the beauty of that movement of life through us, expressed through us, has everything to do with the capacity of our potentials. How diligent have we been in growing the depth of our potentials? How capacious a vessel is my potential for intelligence? How capacious a vessel is my vessel for energy? How capacious am I with affectivity, with love? How well can I receive and can I give from my potentials? The ability to gift and to receive through my potentials is what colors and enlivens my existence. This sense of oneness with Source has everything to do with the intelligence that I develop here. When my thinking is clear, is centered, is generous, is life-affirming, I am in communion with Source. When my energy is alive, is involved in life-affirming actions, when my expression is clear, when it is centered, when it blossoms, I am connected to Source. I'm in resonance with Source. When my affectivity is generous, when I can feel love, when I can radiate love, when the splendor is alive in me, I am in communion with Source.